Welcome to Traveling Kangaroo. Our first stop in London, the city of royalty and history, is the iconic Buckingham Palace. This grand edifice, with its gilded gates and ornate facade, is more than just a symbol of the British monarchy. It's a testament to the nation's rich heritage. Built in the early 18th century, Buckingham Palace has served as the official London residence of the UK's sovereigns since 1837. It's here that you'll find the Queen's Guard, renowned for their stoic discipline and iconic red uniforms. A highlight for many visitors is the changing of the guard ceremony, a spectacle of precision and pageantry that encapsulates British tradition. This palace isn't just a home, it's a working royal palace with its staterooms, gardens, and even the Queen's Gallery playing host to official events and public exhibitions. So, when in London, Buckingham Palace is a must-visit. From the residence of the royals, we move to the royals themselves. The British royal family, an institution steeped in centuries of tradition, is an integral part of London's allure. Their lives, filled with grandeur and pageantry, captivate millions around the globe. Their popularity is undeniable, with their every move making headlines and sparking public interest. This fascination often translates into tourism as visitors flock to sites associated with the royal family. From Buckingham Palace to the Tower of London, these locations offer a glimpse into the regal lifestyle. Moreover, the influence of the royals on London's culture is immense. Their patronage has shaped the arts, fashion, and even food, contributing to the city's distinctive character. The royal family isn't just a symbol of continuity in a rapidly changing world. They are the custodians of history, the embodiment of tradition, and the living link to a past that continues to shape London's present and future. Indeed, the royal family is at the heart of London's charm. Next, we take you to the symbol of London itself, the Big Ben and the Houses of Parliament. Standing tall by the River Thames, these landmarks are not just architectural marvels, but also the beating heart of British politics. Let's start with Big Ben, officially known as the Elizabeth Tower. This iconic clock tower, completed in the mid-19th century, chimes every hour, a sound that has become synonymous with London itself. Its neo-Gothic style and intricate detailing are a testament to the craftsmanship of the time. Adjacent to Big Ben, the Houses of Parliament, or the Palace of Westminster, houses the two parliamentary houses of the United Kingdom. This building, with its ornate Gothic features, is where decisions that shape the nation are made. From debates to legislation, it's a bustling hub of political activity. These iconic structures, steeped in history and political significance, truly define London's skyline. For a bird's-eye view of this magnificent city, we head to the London Eye. This modern marvel of architecture and engineering stands tall on the south bank of the River Thames, an iconic symbol of London's skyline. The London Eye is a testament to human ingenuity, a giant Ferris wheel of impressive design, and an engineering marvel that offers an unparalleled view of the city. Each of its 32 capsules, representing the 32 boroughs of London, provides a 360-degree panorama that stretches on a clear day for up to 40 kilometers. From the apex of this urban giant, you can see the historic Houses of Parliament, the majestic Buckingham Palace, and the iconic Tower Bridge. It's no surprise, then, that the London Eye is a magnet for tourists from all over the globe, eager to see London from a different perspective. The London Eye offers a perspective of London like no other. Shopping in London is an experience in itself, thanks to its world-famous department stores. Imagine stepping into an elegant world where luxury and variety go hand in hand. That's exactly what London's department stores offer. Take Harrods, for instance, a 7-story wonderland known for its grandeur. From high-end fashion to gourmet food, Harrods is a feast for the senses. Then there's Selfridges, a retail icon that combines contemporary chic with classic charm. With its unique window displays and an array of products, it's a shopping destination that's hard to resist. And it's not just about fashion or food. These stores are also home to beauty salons, spas, and even theaters, making them a one-stop destination for all things luxury. So whether you're looking to splurge on designer labels or simply want to soak in the opulence, London's department stores are a must-visit. For shopaholics, London's department stores are a paradise. Moving on, we explore the historical marvels, the Tower Bridge and the Tower of London. Tower Bridge, an iconic symbol of London, is a magnificent feat of Victorian engineering. With its twin Gothic towers and stunning panoramic views, it has been a must-see for visitors since its completion in the late 19th century. Now, let's stroll down to the neighboring Tower of London. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is steeped in 1,000 years of history. Its architecture is a tapestry of various styles, reflecting the different eras and monarchs that have left their mark on it. Once a palace, prison, and treasury, today it houses the crown jewels, a dazzling collection of royal regalia that is one of the country's most popular attractions. The Tower Bridge and the Tower of London are more than just landmarks. They are the living embodiment of Britain's rich and diverse history. These towers stand as a testament to London's rich history. For a breath of fresh air, we head to London's royal parks. These 8 verdant havens scattered across the city are the lungs of London, offering respite from the bustling urban life. The largest of them, Richmond Park, is a wildlife sanctuary where deer roam freely. Then there's the iconic Hyde Park, a central spot for leisurely walks, picnics, and even horse riding. St. James's Park, with its charming lake and views of the Buckingham Palace, is another must-visit. These parks aren't just for relaxation, they're also steeped in history. For instance, Greenwich Park, home to the Royal Observatory, is where time begins, quite literally. These spaces are loved by locals and tourists alike, providing a tranquil escape and a chance to connect with nature, right in the heart of the city. Whether it's for a jog, a picnic, or simply a peaceful stroll, these parks are the perfect getaway in the heart of the city. No visit to London is complete without a ride in the tube. As we continue our journey with Traveling Kangaroo, let's dive into the convenience and uniqueness of London's underground transportation system, the Tube. Known as the oldest underground railway network in the world, the Tube has been serving Londoners since the 19th century, and it's still going strong. With 11 lines crisscrossing the city and beyond, it connects the sprawling metropolis in a way that no other transport does. It's not just about getting from point A to point B. The Tube is an experience in itself. The hustle and bustle, the iconic roundel symbol, the distinctive map, and the cryptic announcements, they all make the Tube a quintessential part of the London experience. So whether you're rushing to a meeting, exploring the city, or just people-watching, the Tube has got you covered. Remember, with Traveling Kangaroo, you're never too far from an adventure. The Tube is truly the lifeline of London. And how can we forget the iconic red buses and black cabs of London? These quintessential vehicles are more than just modes of transport. They are symbols, an integral part of London's identity. Think of a red double-decker bus, and instantly, your mind paints a vivid picture of London's bustling streets. These buses have been ferrying Londoners and visitors alike for over 100 years, their familiar shape and vibrant hue a constant in the city's ever-changing landscape. And then we have the black cabs, the classic London taxis. Known for their distinctive shape, these cabs have been around since the early 20th century. The drivers, known as cabbies, are famous for their extensive knowledge of London streets, a skill honed through rigorous testing. They can navigate the city's maze-like streets with an ease that often leaves GPS systems in the dust. These transports add a touch of color to London's streets. They're not just vehicles, they're a part of London's rich tapestry, a testament to its enduring charm. To end our journey, we take you to the heart of London's entertainment district, the West End. Known for its vibrant theatre scene, the West End is home to some of the world's most acclaimed productions. From timeless classics to innovative new shows, there's always something to see. It's a place where the stage comes alive, and the magic of storytelling transcends the ordinary. But the allure of the West End extends beyond the theatre. It's a buzzing hub of activity day and night. With its array of bars, clubs, and restaurants, the West End offers a nightlife experience that's second to none. Picture sipping a cocktail in a trendy bar or dining in a Michelin-starred restaurant after a captivating theater show. In the West End, every night is a celebration of life, art, and culture. This is where Londoners and tourists alike come to let loose and enjoy the city's lively side. The West End truly brings out the fun and lively side of London. Don't forget to subscribe and visit our website travelingkangaroo.com for more travel inspiration.